Are you tired of living in a home that just doesn't feel right? Are you ready to have a space that you love and that truly represents your personal style? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 common interior design mistakes that could be costing you thousands of dollars. Are you ready to learn how to transform your home into a stunning, cohesive space? If so, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Now let's dive into the first mistake. Number 1. Not having a plan. Starting a design project without a plan is like trying to navigate without a map. It may seem easier in the moment, but it will ultimately lead to a lot of wrong turns and frustration. Before you begin any design project, make sure to establish some guidelines. Decide on a consistent design style and color palette, and take the time to evaluate which pieces of furniture you will need to keep and which you'll need to buy. Number 2. Not budgeting properly. Budgeting is one of the most important steps in any design project, and it's also one of the most common mistakes. Make sure to determine how much money you have available and are comfortable spending, and then make a dream list of everything you'd like to do. From there, you can establish your scope of work, get quotes from contractors, and calculate the cost of furniture and supplies. Number 3. Failing to establish a focal point. A well-designed room starts with a focal point. This is the center of attention that anchors the space and gives the eye somewhere to land when you enter the room. It could be an architectural feature like a fireplace or large window, or it could be furniture like a large piece of artwork or the biggest piece of furniture in the room. Number 4. Thinking everything has to match. Your home should be a reflection of your personal style, so don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces to create a unique space. Choosing individual pieces rather than matching sets will make it easier to swap out a piece if you want to change things up in the future. Take your time when decorating, and don't feel pressured to buy furniture that doesn't fit with your design plan. Number 5. Having your clutter on display. Clutter can detract from even the most beautiful spaces, so it's important to keep it under control. Start by getting rid of items you don't use or need, and then find a home for what's left. Incorporating helpful organization ideas into your design will make it easier to keep clutter from reappearing. Number 6. Holding onto heirlooms. While vintage and heirloom furniture can add character to your home, you're not obligated to keep pieces that are in disrepair or don't fit with your design style. If you have family heirlooms with sentimental value, consider passing them along to someone who will appreciate them. If you love the piece, but it doesn't match your style, look into having it refinished to fit with your decor. Number 7. Using the wrong size area rug. Area rugs can be an important element in a well-designed room, but it's important to choose the right size for the space. A rug that's too small can throw off the balance of the room, while a rug that's too big can be overwhelming. In the living room and family room, the rug should be big enough to fit at least the front feet of all furniture on the rug, or even large enough to include all the furniture completely. Number 8. Having only one light source. Lighting is often overlooked, but it's an important factor in creating a comfortable and well-lit home. Make sure to include ambient, task, and accent lighting in your design plan. A combination of overhead lights, wall lights, and floor and table lamps will provide even lighting throughout your home. Number 9. Hanging curtains too low. Hanging curtains at or just above the window frame can make windows seem smaller and actually block natural light. To make windows appear larger, hang curtains just below the ceiling and allow them to extend all the way down to the floor. Make sure the rod extends far enough past the window frame so the window is completely uncovered when the curtains are open. Number 10. Placing furniture right against the wall. Pushing all your furniture up against the wall can create an awkward arrangement and large empty spaces. Unless you have a small space with no other options, try arranging your furniture in a way that facilitates comfortable conversation. In the living room, place the sofa facing your focal point and add additional seating, making sure the distance between chairs does not exceed 12 feet. And there you have it, 10 interior design mistakes that could be costing you thousands. And if you're ready to transform your home into the space of your dreams, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks from our ultimate guide to interior design.